edit the text, the colors which are available with it. So this is napkin here. Even if I go to napkin here and go with some idea that is system for recognizing something, we'll say eye movement. Example. So now, like ChatGPT, it is going to create a data for me, right? So this is a long way data which was been created by this. Now, even if I want to create some diagrams in it, what I do is I select some content out of it and say, like we have applied a blue icon. I can just take a blue icon, I can create a diagram, right? So here it's the thing. What I'll say is create a diagram. So you can see a diagram which has been created. You can change the diagram or you can have a new diagram itself, right? Now next one with the napkin AI, I'll be going through the next, that is a Socrative tool itself, right? So we'll go to Socrative. Now this is a strong tool which can be used by our faculty so that we can have the grading part which is being done. I am actively using Socrative now. Okay, we'll go to login itself. Check if I have my name here. Okay, we'll come back to Socrative later. We'll go to the next tool, that is Quizlet. We'll go for Quizlet and we'll come back once again to the Socrative tool. So we have Quizlet. Yes. Now Quizlet is also same as a Google Classroom, right? So what you can see here is you can create your own classroom here. I have created one classroom, that is E&TC classroom. You can create your own classroom. You can assign assignments from here, right? You can even set for a question paper, that is a practical test. We have practice test, we have study material which you can upload for. So you can assign assignments, you can have the grading and we see the output. But the part for Quizlet is the report which has been generated is a paid report. So you need a paid, that is version of Quizlet if you are using Quizlet itself, right? So this is the second tool, that is Quizlet. Now the third tool which we'll see is EduCate itself, right? Now this is having a various, that is application. Which one? Quizlet. It has been used by the school teachers very much instead of, that is, higher education institute. So your EduCate. So what we can see is there are different assessment builders. You have a workspace itself. In generator, if once you click it, you can see that there are lessons and plans which can be created for us. So this is for all classes which has been there. You can see Montessori lessons also here. With Montessori, we also have some higher educational things also here. Taxonomy, that is Bloom's taxonomy, which we can use for. So once you click here, you need to put your objective. You need to contain that is the tools which are using and use exemplar. So if you want to add some files, you can add a file. If you have some website from where you want to upload, you can upload it and you can have it. So this is same as you can say ChatGPT, but it is more worse than ChatGPT. That is EDU aid itself, right? Similarly, other tools you have, that is Magic School, it has been